Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheng Yak. On Wednesday night, President Salva Kiir made a major decision that has captured the attention of many. He dismissed the Chief Justice of South Sudan, Riek Madut, along with his deputy John Gatwech Lul. This announcement was made through the state-owned broadcast. After nearly 14 years leading the judiciary, the Chief Justice has now been replaced. To understand why this is significant, we have to look at the history. Riek Madut was appointed in August 2011, just 1 month after South Sudan gained independence. He was among those who helped shape the judiciary in the early days. Many expected strong leadership and commitment to fairness. But over time, his leadership became a source of controversy. Critics raised concern about nepotism and lack of transparency. In 2013, Madut appointed 78 legal assistants, including his own daughter, which led to serious backlash. People felt that legal appointments should follow procedures, not family ties. When confronted, Madut defended the move by saying it was constitutional. But for many, it was another example of how power was being used to serve individuals rather than the law. Even more troubling was his clear and repeated support for the ruling SPLM party. He was seen attending political rallies, openly praising President Salva Kiir decisions, even when those decisions were controversial, such as the expansion of state from 10 to 28 in 2015. Legal experts and civil society members say this behavior compromised the independence of the judiciary. After all, how can a court be neutral if the top judge is involved in political events? But now, people are talking about something even more serious. Reports are coming in that suggest the Chief Justice and his deputy were removed because they refused to falsely accuse Dr. Riek Machar of being behind the recent fighting between the Nuer Army and the SSPDF, the South Sudan People Defense Force in Nasir County. If these reports are accurate, then this is not just about removing officials, it is about punishing those who stood for truth. The judiciary must be independent. Judges should not be expected to take side in political dispute or fabricate accusations to serve a political agenda. If a Chief Justice is removed for refusing to lie, what message does that send to other judges, prosecutors, or legal officers? It creates fear. It tells the legal community either obey the politics or face dismissal. That is dangerous. Now, President Kiir has appointed a new Chief Justice, Benjamin Deng. He comes from the Apu community of Gogrial County in Warrap State, the same region as President Kiir. However, Deng is widely respected in legal circles. He has served in the Supreme Court and was the Director of Training within the Judiciary. He has worked on programs dealing with fair trial, election laws, and judicial ethics. There is hope that he will bring reform, but that hope must be matched with courage. The new Chief Justice must prove that he will serve the law, not the presidency. South Sudan has suffered too much from conflict, division, and manipulation. What is needed now is truth, not silence, not fear. If the judiciary is allowed to speak truth without interference, then justice can finally become a reality for the people. This is a moment of reflection for leaders, for citizens, and especially for legal professionals. Will South Sudan build a system based on law, or will it continue down a path where justice is controlled by politics? Let it be known, no nation can succeed if the court become tool of power instead of instrument of fairness. To the people, speak wisely. To the leader, lead justly. And to the judiciary, stand firm even when it costs you. Thank you for listening. If you are new to this channel, please, I would like you to help me by subscribing and hit the notification bell.